Processing in the background to call the cases back up, so it might take another half hour to an hour.
Sí, pero lo único es que se va a demorar un ratito más porque pues, esta secretaria tiene que tramitar varias cosas para poder convocar casos. Por eso hay una demora de una hora. Pero sí no van a realizar esa tarde. Voy a otro caso ahorita, a ver si
and they will not, they know you're here, no mention of it. Thank you. Isn't in the gallery there. Oh, it is, yeah.
ya pueden estar aquí.
I'll come get you and let you know when the judge is ready.
Pero si no puedes ver ahí.
The medical center is the one that diagnosed me with that, and now I'm at the research. Online content creator. At least amount, 300 a month. I've been actually reading on my disability benefits. You guys haven't been helping me at all. County? Yeah.
All of your comments are very helpful. And then when did you start your
Disability should have started around, I've applied twice last year and it I was hospitalized for 2 weeks.
And where was the hospital at?
San Jose Behavioral Health.
And what was that?
That was around February 2025.
And then you said just about 300 a month and then no disability.
Yeah.
Any other government assistance or that's it?
I have ET right now, it's $480 a month.
And then are you legal?
Going through a divorce, so we already submitted divorce papers, it's not finalized yet.
Any money in it?
Money in the bank right now, only maybe like $100.
And then any cars in it?
No, I have a Tacoma that's full time.
Okay. And what year is it?
2018, I believe.
Any money on that?
He paid it all. He paid it all.
And then what would be the value?
I think at least 1,300, 13,000. I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. And then any money?
No.
Any claims for money of a lawsuit?
No.
And then any kids?
I have 2 kids, Oliver and Emily.
How old are they?
They are 6 and 4.
And then you said boy or twins, right? And then anybody else that helps support you at all?
My dad lets me stay at his home temporarily. That's my only support system for the most part.
Any child support obligations?
I didn't owe child support because of my disability. I haven't been working. I haven't been able to attend my payment.
Okay, how much do you for child support if you
I have to pay $180 a month about.
And then no insurance?
I don't believe so.
And then any taxes, no debts?
No.
And you didn't pay money for
No.
and then these are all the consent forms that your attorney probably would want to get those records from you so you can help defend you in the case of information.
May I ask, what's today's date? 23rd?
No.
Okay. Initial as one?
Yeah.
You never have to consent to a search, so if you said no to the officer, he would have to consent. Should this be kept in mind for the future, you do not have to consent to searches, and they have to consent to a law to kept in the warrant requirement for the search earlier. You do not have to.
Hey, where's the toilet?
Did you want to
No.
no.
Right there.
So you have some time to get your
I'm gonna check you in after a second.
Oh, my.
Oh, they didn't tell me. They just said sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, line 1 reduced.
But is he here already?
No, he was being transported by Angel, from Angel, so.
know my dad? Yeah, so, yeah. So you've been in San Jose a long time? Cường, chú Cường Đen hả? It's been a while, I haven't seen him in a while. Cũng ở San Jose, cũng đường Center. Yeah, around that area. Center Road, gần Enter Hill. Yeah. No, mấy cái này cũng đâu có đi chơi, đâu có tiền đâu mà đi chơi. Mấy cái này đủ sống à. I've been looking for work, but it's been hard. It's been slow. But eventually, hopefully, or you should find a new boyfriend, you know? For real.
All rise. Honorable John Garibaldi presiding.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. DEA Kenneth Chang for the people.
Thank you, good afternoon, Your Honor.
Ellie,
Report please call line 17 on the one very Tyler Spider staff. Yes. Ricardo Ramirez, appearing on his behalf.
Misdemeanor case today. Your charges are low level, ordinarily, and they are diversion eligible. Do you know what diversion is?
No, I actually don't know what these charges are for either.
Okay, so this is a resisting arrest charge. Again, I'm not saying this happened.
Yes.
I'm just telling you what they're charging you
Okay,
with.
from campus police?
I think so, yes.
Okay.
And then this is a violation of a stay away order.
Stay away order.
So there would have been a court order in place that would have protected a person.
Yes.
And if that order was violated, that's where you see this misdemeanor.
Okay.
Again, it
I'm not
doesn't.
sure when I violated that order.
Okay, I can definitely take a look at it for you. So let me just tell you a little bit about diversion.
Okay.
I don't think that we should ask for diversion today from this judge.
Yes.
In between today's date and the next court date, you're going to have a lawyer from the public defender's office assigned to represent you.
Okay.
They're going to do a deep dive on your case, speak to you about it before your next court date.
Okay.
So you can call the public defender's office.
I actually do want to defend myself. I was not resisting arrest.
Okay.
He was using excessive force. He said I was not
Okay.
under arrest.
Yeah.
He told me I was not under arrest. So that's why I calmly walked out. I was not running out, nothing threatening.
Okay.
He's the one who tackled me from behind.
Yeah, you're
And so
smart.
I wanted to actually fight that. It was self-defense.
Okay, you can fight both of these charges.
Yes.
You also have the constitutional right to a jury
Yes, I
trial.
actually wanted surveillance footage from that incident because there were cameras inside the classroom.
Okay,
And the way that he detained me I felt was illegal.
okay, and it was excessive force.
Excessive use of force.
Okay,
Regarding the restraining order, I
Yes.
would like to know how I violated that order. Because I get told all the time that I violated by going on social media and
Okay.
posting about certain people.
okay.
So in the order, it didn't
Didn't specify that you could
specify
not
go
on
online.
social media.
It just I
Okay.
couldn't not be in physical proximity of her.
Got it. Okay. Okay, so again, these are really important questions
Yes.
and really important issues.
Yeah.
And for today, my intention is to plead not guilty.
Okay? I think these are questions that you'll want to do a deep dive with your lawyer on.
Yes.
So in 2 weeks, call the public defender's office, ask who's assigned to your cases. They can talk to you, answer all of your questions about the specifics of the no contact order and then the 148. If there's cameras, then that would be something that they can request, right, as part of an investigation into the case. Ultimately, you may want to set your case for a jury trial, right? I don't generally recommend that you set cases for a jury trial from arraignment because you haven't had a lawyer do that deep dive just yet. There might be other motions to file. So for today, not guilty. I'm going to ask you to send you to the jury trial hearing. That'll be upstairs. Call the public defender's office in 2 weeks, okay? Find out who you're assigned to the case. Okay. I'll get you out of here today, okay? Yeah.
Mấy tháng này cùng nhau tôi thấy cái cười. Dạ không. Maybe hy vọng đi chơi cái gì.
Mr. Rapp?
Oh no. Chú cười á. Oh no, you did? No, sorry. Well, at least you're out.
Do you want to remain here where your case is called? Do you
Your
want
Honor, it was in a parking lot.
your case is called, or do you want to come up?
Oh my gosh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Gotcha. Please report, Your Honor.
You have a criminal record?
Your Honor,
There is a stale 2009 DUI.
There is.
There is. Yes, Your Honor, it's a parking lot at, 3850. Where the defendant states he did the right thing by getting off the street.
Considering public safety here, the court will partially grant the DA's request and order Supervised OR. You are ordered to call pretrial services tomorrow, the 24th of February, between 2 and 4. While I will not order a cam device, I will order that you engage in any counseling for drug and alcohol usage as required by pretrial services, that you not use or possess any illegal drugs, alcohol, marijuana, that you submit to testing for same, and that you permit search and seizure of the person, residence, or vehicle by use also without a warrant. I will order that you not operate a motor vehicle without a valid California driver's license and proof of insurance. Will your client accept these terms?
yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did my clerk give you a date yet?
Your Honor, I was looking at April 15th, at 1:30.
Yes, sir, April the 15th at 1:30, we can do that in the park next day.
Very well, that's yours.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Line 16, I believe, Jeff Sheridan. He's with us in court today. My name is Nicholas Sorrento. I'm making a general appearance. My bar number is 360419. We wish to waive the reading of the arraignment, waive time, enter a plea of not guilty, and ask for a resetting for a pretrial conference against
Any objection to OR in this
No
case?
objection.
OR is granted, and my clerk will
Yes, Your Honor, unless a Tuesday happens to be more convenient for my parties, if a Tuesday is available, that'd be wonderful. I'm sorry?
We can do the 14th, Your Honor. April the 14th, 1:30, Department 49.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
However, I am ready on line 10 on the court's 1:30 calendar for Mr. Rep.
Kevin Rep.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Rep is making his way to the podium. Deputy Public Defender Roxanne Farmer, appearing specially for Attorney of Record Nas Yassin. We're here for diversion review. The only term was no new law violations.
I believe we also have an 8-hour anger management and an 8-hour behavior modification class.
Those must have already been shown because the minute order on the last circuit was no new law violations. I can pass it if we're going to pass that.
Me? Oh, really?
Either those were already shown or they were not ordered.
It was 3 months of new law violations. I think that was it. Right?
According to the minute order, that is the term of diversion.
That's my, notes are incorrect.
Sometimes notes reflect proposed terms inaccurately, but for the minute order, no new law violations.
With the understanding that the
The minute order I looked at was November 21st, and indeed it shows only no new law violations. Where do you get any other terms? Where's that coming from?
I think I'm mistaken, Your Honor, that I believe it says no new law violations, and as of today, there are no new law violations.
In view of that, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to dismiss this case.
I wish I could hear you a little bit better. Do you agree that there was only no new law violations?
Yes, Your Honor, only no
Okay,
new law
then I will
violations,
dismiss
and
it.
there have been none.
Diversion statute. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, next case, please. Criminal proceedings reinstated by necessity and now we have
Your Honor, I'm ready on line 3 on the court's 1:30 calendar for Mr. Lopez.
Yes, Mr. Victor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Roxanne Farmer, Deputy Public Defender, appearing with Mr. Lopez, who's present before the court under custody. He is making his way to the podium. He's being assisted by a Spanish language interpreter.
Charles Iden, spelled I-D-I-K, court certified interpreter, ID number 375221, both on file.
Right, thank you. Just for proof of completion, I do see the community service work has been performed for Odyssey. Are there any other conditions that?
Yes, Your Honor. Completion of 10 AA classes. My client presents with proof that he's completed 5 2-hour AA classes. Normally they are 1 hour. So I'm asking for the court to find substantial compliance, and I'd be happy to approach with proof. I already showed it to her.
Your Honor, and the people submit to the court, the understanding from the people is that there would be 10 AA meetings, however, the people do understand that there is 5 meetings that are 2 hours, and 1 hour.
Yeah, I agree with that. I've never seen, so, how did you find the program that had 2 hours?
They're in Oakland, Your Honor.
So they need twice as much time in Oakland?
I guess so. They start at 8 and they go till 10.
The court will reinstate criminal proceedings and, dismiss the case.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I am ready on line 13 on the court's 1:30 calendar. This is Mr. Sambrano.
informal reading and advisement of rights on the complaint, entering pleas of not guilty. Your Honor, I'm asking the court to exercise its discretion and grant the gentleman judicial diversion pursuant to Penal Code Section 1001.95. This is a diversion eligible offense. The client has no criminal history. He's 30 years old and has one 11-year-old daughter. He's currently taking care of his father, who suffered a stroke last year, and he's providing in-home care to dad. I would note that this incident occurred after he was stopped for expired registration. He then was
Before you go any further.
Sure.
Because I'm not familiar off the top of my head with the charge in question here.
Oh, yes.
I would like to read the police report and the complaint to see what the charge is.
Yes, it is possession of a shogi, which is essentially a samurai sword.
It is a what?
It's like a samurai sword. It's called a shogi-zu.
I might, let me read the police report. I might have questions, and I'll certainly let those sides be addressed. I just want to read this. You know, you would think that I, after 36 years wearing this robe,
I had to look it up too, Your Honor.
Un momentito, pero primero le van a dar usted primero, así por
Okay, before I let the DA turn, what else would you like to say?
I just want to let the court know that the gentleman was stopped for expired registration. He consented to a search of his vehicle, so he was cooperative in this case. I think that's an important fact. I also think it's important that he has no criminal history.
DA, like to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor, and people acknowledge, criminal history. People also recognize that while Mr. Clara was stopped for expired registration, he also did not have a valid license, so the current offer is for judicial diversion for a 3-month term with 15 hours of community service. A condition of destroying the weapon, however, the people are open to amending this condition if there's proof that these weapons have some sort of sentimental value, and efforts towards obtaining a valid license.
What were you asking me for?
Diversion.
Well, you're both on this. What are the terms that you might differ on?
I don't think we differ on any terms. I didn't propose any terms because the people have terms that they proposed.
Can I ask you a little bit more about this show? What is this show booth?
Shogi-zu.
What is the attraction in having this? Is it sort of a cultural thing, or?
It's more like the collectible item.
It's a what? Well, I'm certainly fine with judicial diversion. Now, if this is a prohibited weapon, which I guess it is, it would be, I mean, I can't return a weapon to him if it's prohibited by law. I can't sort of prohibit anybody, especially your client.
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're not getting it back, so as long as you understand that, I'm happy with doing diversion and saving you a conviction and get the diversion. All right, let's do this, Mr. Zambrano. I'll suspend criminal proceedings. I'm going to place you on 3 months of judicial diversion. I'll order no new law violations. Community service, what's the DA?
The offer was for 15 hours.
14?
Yes.
That's fine. And the weapon would be forfeited at the conclusion to the police department at the conclusion of your successful diversion, so that it will be, you will not get it back, it will be destroyed by the police department. Are you good with this? All right, then my clerk's going to give you a date to return to show that you've done the community service work. I will refer you to sentencing alternative program. You should really call them this week. And we'll give you a date, not just short of 90 days from next week.
Your Chairman, you said for May 28th at 1:30, apartment 50?
And that'll be your next date, that you complied with this version, and so.
Reports 1:30 calendar for Ms. Tran.
Kitty Tran.
Thank you, Your Honor. Roxanne Farmer, Deputy Public Defender appearing. The Public Defender's Office is requesting appointment.
I will appoint your office for Ms. Tran.
We are waiving formal reading and advisement rights on the complaint, entering pleas of not guilty, entering a time waiver, and requesting a further pretrial hearing.
Any objection, or?
Yes, Your Honor, the people are asking for sort with site counseling, given the numerous pending cases that have similar conduct and the escalating behavior.
Let me go through the entries here, and then I'll.
Yes. I am already checking in with pretrial services regarding the resisting arrest. My next court hearing for that is in March.
I see that.
Yes.
Okay.
That one. So,
You're already
I mean, I'm already with psych counseling. I don't mind having to check in with pretrial services every week for this, but I don't know what escalating behavior they're speaking of.
Okay, well, we can address
The
that.
pending cases, I should,
I would
it was all depending. Okay. That's
And Your
not
Honor,
fair.
no objection to the DA's request.
I'm glad that's true, because I was inclined to grant it.
And Your Honor, she does have a future date on March 9th at 1:30, Department 50. Can we send these cases, or this case there?
Yes.
Thank you.
So, let me get from the DA, recommendations as to Supervisor O'Rourke one more time, please.
The people are just requesting for, site counseling with other standard terms.
One more time?
Site counseling
Yeah, but without question.
and any other standard terms, the people will defer to the board.
Well, I'm not saying that I'm going to make any order with respect to her cell phones, but I'm not saying that at all, so, but I'd like to know, does she have a cell phone that she brought into court today?
I do.
What I would like to do, I'm not gonna take away your cell phone, but I will order that before you go into a courthouse,
Yes.
that you leave your cell phone either in your car or at home.
Okay, so that I
That
don't,
do not bring it into the courthouse.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to order.
no more phones. I'm not allowed to bring any phones into the courthouse. Got it.
So do not bring your cell phone into a courthouse.
Okay. May I ask what the psych counseling is for?
I will order, Ms. Fran, that you call pretrial services tomorrow, February 24th, between the hours of 2 and 4. And those will be your orders.
All right.
And clerk will now give you a date and time for the job.
If we could join that March 9th date, 1:30. I did see this department 47.
Oh, I saw Department 50 on something. I just, it's all kind of a mess upstairs, different PTC departments, but, thank you.
Two matters that I have. Asking the court to call upon this morning. I believe, the court also spoke to you about that. It's going to be.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. I have a docket number if you'd like it again.
Is it on my paper shell with you?
Only because, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't see that online. I have Mr. Gomez, his matter first, and I can address that one first. I'm not sure if he's line 27 or 28.
Mr. Gomez will be 27.
Thank you.
Lathan Williams.
Okay.
Mr. Gomez is present. This matter was here. My first request, Your Honor, would be to call the bench warrant this morning as Mr. Gomez was present. That was intended to be coordinated with him. Also,